Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm a little nervous because I'm filming the 10-minute makeup challenge. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm actually really nervous because for like an everyday look I usually take about 30 minutes to an hour, but if it's something a little bit more complicated, like let's say a cut crease, it takes me anywhere between like an hour to 2 hours. So I'm a little bit nervous to see how this goes because I only have 10 minutes to do a full face of makeup. Of course, I'm not going to do anything too extravagant, just kind of something basic. But I still don't know how this is going to go. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. Don't forget to like this video if you do. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. That way you get notification every time that I post. And without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I already kind of laid out all my makeup that I'm gonna be using. I laid it out just so I could see it. I don't know if that counts as cheating, but it just to have like some sort of advantage, because I'm pretty sure this is gonna go completely bad. But let's see. All right, so I have 10 minutes on the clock and I'm just gonna start it. Let's see how this goes. I'm kind of nervous. All right, so 10 minutes on the clock and I'm gonna start it. Okay, it's going. All right, so I'm gonna start with my brows first. I'm gonna just use my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown. I don't know if I should be mentioning the names of these products, but if anything, I'll leave them listed down below just in case you guys are curious. Damn. I already know this is gonna turn out bad because I feel like I usually take about like 10-15 minutes on just my brows alone. Oh shit. God. Oh no, this is already turning out so bad. I want to fix it so bad, but I know I don't have that much time. Okay, I'm gonna just leave it because I don't have time, and if I have time later, I'll fix it later. Alright, so let me concealer on my eyes. I don't know why I didn't do my foundation first. I probably should have done that. Should have planned this out a lot better. Why the hell am I doing that? Why don't I use a sponge? Okay, that's a lot better. By the way, I'm not using eyebrow gel because mine broke. The little wand like got stuck in the tube, so I can't get it out. I need to go buy a new one. Okay. What am I doing? Oh, my face. Alright, so I'm gonna go into the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I don't know why I'm still mentioning the names of these products because ain't nobody got time for that. Oh shit, did I mess up my brows? Okay. Let me zoom you guys out because I don't got time for that either, but you know, I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. I really should have planned this out a lot better. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my foundations, and as per usual, I mix two of them. What shade is this? Oh, Amber Beige. Okay, so this one. And then Cocoa. Like I said, I'll be listing these products down below if you are curious what I'm using. Because I don't have a lot of time to explain what I'm using. You know what I should be using? I should be using my foundation brush. Right there. I don't got time for bouncing the what is it called? Damn, what is it called? Oh, my sponge. Oh no, I got it in my hair. Oh shit. How much time do I have left? Oh shit, I have 6 minutes. Oh damn. I don't have time to blend it out better. Okay, now I'm gonna go into my e.l.f. concealer. I already put some on my eyes, but I'll just put a little bit more. God, I feel like I'm not blending this out right. Ooh, definitely not blended out right. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face. Wow, it looks like I didn't even fill in my eyebrows. They're two completely different shapes. Okay. I look like a ghost. I need to stop with the powder. I don't have time to close this. Alright, what am I doing? Oh, eyeliner. I have 4 minutes. Try to hurry up. Ow. Just got my eye. Oh no. My eye is starting to tear up. Oh, shit. Come on. Come on. Probably should have done a smaller wing. Okay. Next one. Oh shit. Sorry if I'm cursing so much. I just this is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Oh no. Damn it. Oh, this is definitely bad. This is bad. This is bad. Oh no. I don't have time to fix this. As I'm still trying to fix it. Okay, I have to stop. Mascara. How much time do I have left? I have 3 minutes. Shit. I don't know if you guys heard that. That was my throat. Damn it, I got it under my eye. Okay, I don't have time for this. I'll go back and clean it up if I have time. Alright, so now I'm gonna bronze up my face using my Wet n Wild contouring palette and caramel toffee as always. Just so I don't look like a ghost anymore. The other side. Okay, and I'm gonna use my blush, my Milani blush in Coral Cove, and my Real Techniques blush brush. Okay, I don't have time for that. Okay, now my lipstick. Come on. I always have such a hard time with my lips because I don't have a defined, oh shit. I don't have a defined Cupid's bow. So that looks crooked. Oh shit. Oh no. I'm just doing that. How much time do I left? I still have a minute. Let me fix this with this brush. It still has a little bit of concealer. Oh, that still looks bad. Okay. Need to set my face. Did I forget anything? Oh, I forgot highlight. Shit. Do I even have highlight? Oh my god, I didn't even bring a highlight. Oh. Shit, okay, whatever. We'll just try to fix that. Try to fix my brows while I'm at it, because they look crooked. They look bad. Okay, how do you stop this? Okay, did I get it? Okay, damn it. All right, so my time's up. That actually went by a lot faster than I thought, and the makeup did not turn out good. I thought, okay, maybe I could do it if it's like extremely simple, but no. I mean, my wings are totally off. They're crooked, and then this one's definitely bigger than that one. My eyebrows are two different shapes. This one's like rounded, and this one actually has like an arch. And then I think I put too much blush on. I didn't even bring a highlight, which I don't know why. I thought I had one. I guess I didn't bring it. And my lipstick is crooked because I don't have a defined Cupid's bow, so that always takes me forever. This alone takes me like 10 minutes to put on my lipstick. And I actually had very little eyebrow pencil left. It's a bad time to run out. But yeah, that's how my makeup turned out in 10 minutes. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, that way you get notification every time that I post. Like this video if you did, and leave me requests for any other videos you want to see down below. If you're interested, which I'm pretty sure no one's interested in see how I got this look, but like if you're interested in see what products I used, I will list them down below just in case if anyone's curious. But yeah, this is how my makeup turned out. Didn't turn out good, but you know, I tried. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.